Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really excited to share this recipe with you guys. It is the Suya burger. I just made it and I cannot wait to dig in. It's super simple, and as you guys know, we've still been in quarantine, so I've been making a lot of my favourite quarantine meals. I've updated my blog with a few recipes, so go and check that out. But yes, today I was craving a juicy Suya burger. So I'm going to show you guys how I made it, along with tips and tricks on how you can make your own homemade extra juicy burger. So my loves, if you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. So let's get cooking. So I have here my minced beef. I have about 650 grams of minced beef. So yes, I'm going to start off with seasoning. So I'm seasoning it with a bit of salt. I'm also going to go in with a bit of dried onions. You can use onion powder for this, and then some Suya powder. Now I'm using about 4 teaspoons of Suya powder. This is store-bought, but if you know how to make it at home, then of course go ahead. And then when I'm done, I am going to add in oregano. And then I'm going to go in with my egg. I'm using 1 egg. And I'm going to add in some panko breadcrumbs, and I'm going to mix that in. The egg and the breadcrumbs act as a binding agent, but it also gives the mince, or the beef patty I should say, a bit of texture. So when all of that's done and you mix it up, I tend to leave mine in the fridge for like 24 hours. I feel like the longer it marinates, the better it will taste. And when that is done, I just take it out of the fridge, cut it into sections, roll it up into a ball, and then I use like the rolling pin to get it into a nice circular shape. Now if you don't have a rolling pin, you can always use a wine bottle. Just make sure that it's clean and it's washed before you use it on your mince. That should really help it, and you just mold it into the shape that you want. So I'm using a frying pan and a bit of oil for this, but if you have a barbecue and you want to use the grill, then please go ahead, because I can imagine this would taste amazing. So I just cook the beef patties on each side for about 3 to 4 minutes. It's on medium to low heat, and I want that to cook through. A technique I like to use is I like to pour a bit of the oil over the mince so the inside can cook very well. You can also add in a bit of cheese like I've done here. So just put a slice of cheese, as I had a request for 1 cheeseburger. And that's how you make it. It's super simple, guys. And now when all of that's done, I start working on my toppings. So I've got here some lettuce. I also have some tomatoes and red onion, and then I slice them. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Suya chicken burger. Suya chicken burger? Where did I get from? Where did I get chicken burger from?